Welcome to RTZ Audio Visual's YouTube channel. We're a company that was established in 1988. We're a small business, woman-owned company. We're here to help provide information, techniques, and knowledge for audiovisual systems that can help serve the commercial, industrial, religious establishments across the country. We have many customers from Florida to California, as well as here in Maryland, that we take part in helping them have the best AV system they possibly can have. On our channel, we hope to provide helpful hints for your AV systems, as well as unboxing products, showing brand new products on the market, doing some product reviews to help educate you as the user so you have the best possible system that you can have. And most importantly, we're here to answer your AV questions. And if you would, please click on the subscribe button down below and turn notifications on. That way you can be updated whenever we have new videos out.